Music. Is BloggingPro the Freelancer platform for you? Let's find out. In this video, I'll share my experience with BloggingPro, a platform designed for freelance writers and content creators. Want to learn more? Check the links below. BloggingPro is a specialized job board for writers, editors, and bloggers looking for quality work. Its content focus makes it perfect for writing professionals. The platform is easy to use with a streamlined layout and regularly updated job postings. Clients post gigs for blogging, copywriting, editing, and even content strategy, covering niches like tech, health, travel, and finance. Freelancers can browse listings free, no subscription is needed. Job postings detail scope, payment, and required expertise, allowing freelancers to choose projects that fit their skills. For clients, BloggingPro offers a simple way to connect with experienced writers. It attracts content professionals, helping businesses find the right fit quickly. Posting a job is easy, and the targeted audience ensures high-quality applications. BloggingPro keeps things simple. No complicated bidding or commission fees, it directly connects clients and freelancers. However, users manage payments and contracts independently. In short, BloggingPro is ideal for writers, editors, and businesses seeking skilled content creators. Its niche focus and simple design connect talent with opportunity. Ready to explore BloggingPro? Check the links below to get started.